Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. If eyeliner has always been that one step that either makes or breaks your makeup look, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you 3 beginner-friendly eyeliner styles that are simple, quick, and flattering for almost every eye shape. By the end of this video, you'll be able to pick your favorite style depending on your mood, soft, cute, or bold. So grab your eyeliner, a mirror, and let's do this step by step. Style 1, the soft natural line. This is perfect for everyday wear, school, or work, when you just want your eyes to look a little more awake without it being obvious. 1. Start with a sharpened pencil eyeliner or a brown liquid liner. 2. Instead of drawing a full line, gently dot the liner between your lashes. This is called tight lining. 3. Connect the dots softly and keep it very close to your lash line. 4. If you want, smudge it slightly with a brush or cotton bud for a softer look. Result: your lashes instantly look fuller, your eyes look brighter, but it still feels effortless and natural. Style 2, the wing. If you've always struggled with wings, this one's your best friend. It's short, cute, and forgiving. 1. Look straight into the mirror. Imagine your lower lash line extending upward. That's your guide. 2. Draw a tiny flick, just 3 to 4 millimeters. Think of it as a little tail. 3. Connect the flick back to your lash line, forming a tiny triangle. 4. Fill it in and smooth out the edges. Result: a soft, flirty eye look that lifts your eyes but still looks beginner-friendly and wearable. Style 3, the classic cat eyeliner. This is the drama moment, perfect for events, selfies, or when you want your eyes to be the star of the show. 1. Start thin from the inner corner and gradually thicken the line as you move outward. 2. Create your wing by following the same lower lash line guide, but extend it a little further this time. 3. Connect the tip of the wing to the middle of your lash line, forming a sleek triangle. 4. Fill it in and clean up with a cotton bud plus concealer if needed. Result: sharp, bold, and timeless. This eyeliner style works for almost any eye shape with just a little practice. And that's it, 3 easy eyeliner styles you can switch up depending on your vibe. Remember, eyeliner doesn't have to be scary, it's just about practice, patience, and finding the style that feels right for you. Now you all are thinking we learned the styles, but what should we do when we mess up with liner? Let me give you a clear, beginner-friendly guide on how to fix eyeliner mistakes easily, so you don't have to restart your whole makeup look every time. How to fix eyeliner mistakes easily. 1. Use a cotton bud plus micellar water. Dip a cotton bud, Q-tip, in micellar water or any gentle makeup remover. Gently swipe the area where you messed up. Pro tip: roll the cotton bud instead of dragging, this prevents smudging. 2. Concealer cleanup. Take a small flat brush with a bit of concealer. Trace along the edges of your eyeliner to sharpen it. This works especially well for fixing uneven wings and making them crisp. 3. Make the line thicker, strategic save. If one wing is thicker than the other, even it out by slightly thickening the other side. Just don't overdo it, otherwise, you'll end up with full-on graphic liner. 4. Use tape or a card. Place a piece of tape or the edge of a card, angled along your lash line. Redraw your wing using that edge as a guide. When you peel it off, the line looks sharp and intentional. 5. Blend it out. If your liner smudged too much, smudge it intentionally with a brush or cotton bud. Turn it into a smoky eyeliner look instead of a sharp one. Makeup hack: sometimes mistakes lead to even prettier results. Extra tips to prevent mistakes. Rest your elbow on a table for more stability. Always start with a thin line, it's easier to build than erase. Use small strokes instead of trying to draw one long line. Question for you: which style are you most excited to try, the natural line, the baby wing, or the classic wing? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more easy beauty tutorials every week.